Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C: and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space C: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.